for this, you'll be needing black soap. I used the Dudu Osun soap. Then of course I used glycerin and then olive oil because black soap can be a bit drying. Then I made this of table salt. I'll be telling you what I use this for, and then a bottle for storage. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again. My name is IJ, and if you're just joining this channel for the first time, thank you and welcome. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, you've been missing out, but now is the time to tap that subscribe button and join this amazing family. Also the notification bell so you never miss another post. So today's video, we're making black soap shampoo, and as you can already see, this is what the soap looks like in the pack. Okay, the Dudu Osun packs, this is what the soap comes in. So I'm just going to be taking the soap out of the extra wrapping, and as you can see, it's just a regular black soap. I start to cut it up into pieces and chunks because after that I will be soaking it to dissolve it in hot water, guys. So just watch that. I put in the hot water and I let that sit for a few minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is what the whole thing is looking like. Most of the particles are not dissolved, but yeah, this is the part where I actually start to go in with the thickening agent, which is the salt, guys. I use the salt to thicken it a bit because I really don't like using very watery shampoo, and the salt does take a lot of time to dissolve. And please guys, be very careful, do not add a lot of salt because you will end up with a very thick mess on your hands later on when everything dissolves. So you just want to go in with a little bit of the salt and just let it sit for a few minutes. As you can see, the salt is still very hard and not dissolved in the soap. So guys, even if you didn't add the salt at this point, you will still have a good shampoo if you just went in with your oils. I actually made 2 batches of this, the unthickened and the thickened one, just to show you guys the difference.
2,000 years later.
So I kind of actually forgot that I was filming this video. Very crazy thing, but yes, this is just about 24 hours later, a full day. I left it overnight and this is what it came out looking like. It is actually thicker than I expected it to be because I added very little salt, but yeah, this is what it looks like. So at this point, I'm just going in with the glycerin. I put in a tablespoon of that just to make sure that the soap isn't as drying as it can be on hair. Then I also go in with the olive oil as well. Then finally, I also ended up using a little bit of honey just because, you know, I just felt like, but you can totally do without this. It was not planned at all. But then I just go ahead and stir that up to just mix it up, and then I put that into a bottle. I use this tiny funnel that I found, and yeah, I just transfer the contents into a bottle, my press bottle from the beginning, and that's it. Just to compare, nothing else, I made 2 batches of this soap, the black soap shampoo, to show you guys what would happen if you perhaps decided not to thicken yours, because I have actually used the watery one in the past. This is the thickened one right here, and this is, let me show you, this is the one that I did not thicken with anything at all. Look at the consistency of that. That is like, it's nearly water. And imagine showering with this and somehow the bottle slips from your hand. You will just see it, everything will just pour away now. So I definitely think this is one of the situations where the difference is clear. So if you're at this point of the video, you already know I love you. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. The shampoo lathers so well, and it is very clarifying, so that is definitely a bonus. Comment #black soap shampoo if you are here. I'll see you in the next one.